I've had 2 pacemaker operations, so I can't use the machine fully. So Catherine puts me on the
Plasma generator.
I hold the plasma generator and put my feet on the metal so she can get a reading. And then I do the full colour display all the time. I said, "You sure I'm not breaking the machine, Catherine, because you're giving me the full power, girl." But so I've used that, and it's really helped me a lot. I now sleep, I only get up once at night, whereas I was waking up every 2 hours. My toileting's a lot better.
Finish your degree?
Yes, I'll finish my degree. Graduate next week.
When did you first go to Catherine?
Last year, in
8 months.
September.
To see just 8 months, you see, and then you can say already something, and that's just the beginning. It's just the beginning.
Yes.
And so you do plasma generator, you do the information.
We do the information and then the plasma generator.
Yeah.
And just with the plasma generator, we've had a lot of
Thank you.
Thank you.
My father was diagnosed with Parkinson's in 1986, and from 86 onwards, he lived a pretty good life quality. But in about the early 90s, he really started suffering a lot, and about 3 years ago, he had to be pretty much hospitalised because he was pretty much very much out of control. There were some other reasons Catherine has as well about it. And since then, he's been in high care 24 hours a day. So I see it there, and I've had him transferred to Melbourne so I can keep a closer look on him. Catherine and Tom came to visit, and they treated my father a couple of times with the core machine, and they also have it going on in the background all the time. And immediately we started noticing improvements. Dad started feeling it all the time. And for me, it was brilliant to see my father be able to speak again, because he was so bad I had to literally carry him from the dining room to his bedroom, and he couldn't speak. So, my father's always someone who loved his independence, and he pretty much lost it until recently. And the core machine has helped him dramatically. He's now conversing normally, and we speak in about 3 different languages, and he's happier, and he sees a lot of hope in the future, which is very important. And he's very enthusiastic now, whereas beforehand I think he almost gave up. Now he can walk. Now yesterday I went for a walk with him for 20 minutes outside, and I didn't have to assist him at all. Just walked perfectly straight. Beforehand he was totally hunched over. No coincidence at all. I think the machine.